is one of my oldest recipes and still just such a favourite. It's a baked porridge and there's something about it that's just incredible. So to get started, just really important here, they need to be proper jumbo oats, not porridge oats, because we want this to cook slowly, and so you need big jumbo oats. So put those in a bowl and cover it with boiling water, and you just want to soak for kind of 10 minutes or so, and this is just going to soften them down. And then while those are soaking, you want to mash one of the bananas. I'm doing a little bit extra today because I want it to look beautiful for you. So I've got an extra banana. And then we're going to also just crush up our walnuts. I just do this with my hands, but you can also just pop it into a blender or something as well. And again, that's just so it's bite-sized chunks. And then once your oats have soaked for like 10 minutes or so, you should basically have no water left in them and they should feel a bit softer. And we're gonna then stir through our mashed banana, our chopped walnuts, we're gonna add our maple syrup, a sprinkling of cinnamon, our fresh blueberries, sunflower seeds, almond milk, and raisins. And just stir it all up till it's really nice and mixed, and then just transfer that into a baking dish. And then put the extra banana slices over the top, maybe a couple more blueberries, things to make it look really gorgeous. And then just pop it in the oven and it cooks for like 20 minutes or so, just until the top goes golden. And then it is honestly heaven, just eaten basically straight from the tray. Okay, so it's just looking so yum. And the thing that's amazing about this is because the oats cook with the mashed banana and the blueberries and everything, it basically just soaks up all the flavour. So like each oat is just bursting with like sweetness, that bit of cinnamon, and like you can see the blueberries have kind of exploded and you've got like little bits of purple everywhere, and they're so juicy and amazing. And like, it's not the most beautiful breakfast in the whole wide world, but it tastes amazing. So I'm just gonna serve it with a dollop of yogurt. This is coconut yogurt, and I like the contrast of like the kind of coldness and the creaminess of that with it. And if you want a bit of sweetness, you could always add a little bit more maple. I'm gonna try it as it is. You can see it's like steaming hot. All the raisins have gone really juicy because they've absorbed all that liquid as well, and it's like, yeah, it's just perfect on a cold day. And you can obviously adapt it, add like grated apple and things to it as well, which is delicious. Obviously, because I know some people don't like bananas, so you could do that if you're not a banana person. The oats just go so soft. You get every bit of all the flavour profile on each bite. And like those blueberries are just unreal, like they're so juicy. They just kind of explode when you bite into them. Throw my porridge everywhere. So yum. So if you've got a cold morning coming up, maybe a weekend at home with some friends and family, definitely try it. And again, let us know what you think. I would absolutely love to hear.